Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you a simple AI side gig that makes money for up to $19,000 a month. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. At first glance, a drinking tumbler may seem like an ordinary object, a vessel designed to hold your favorite beverages. But what if I told you that by integrating it with the power of artificial intelligence, we can create something extraordinary? A product that not only enhances your drinking experience, but also has the potential to become a highly lucrative and innovative money-making venture. Let me show you how. This is an easy to follow step-by-step method, so watch till the end to apply it to your future money-making gig. First, let's start with the selling of physical tumblers, and you'll start by opening an Etsy store. If you're new to Etsy, here's a step-by-step process on how. Visit the Etsy website www.etsy.com and click the Sell on Etsy button, typically in the homepage's upper right corner. Next, click on the Open Your Etsy Shop option. You will be prompted to sign into your existing Etsy account or create a new one. If you're new to Etsy, you can easily create an account by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're signed in, you'll be guided through a step-by-step process to set up your Etsy store. Begin by choosing a name for your shop that reflects your brand and the products you'll be selling. Take your time to create a unique and memorable name that resonates with your target audience. After selecting your shop name, you'll need to fill in essential details about your shop, including policies, payment methods, and shipping preferences. Be sure to provide clear, accurate information to set expectations for potential customers. As you progress through the setup process, you'll have the opportunity to customize your shop's appearance. Choose an appealing banner, logo, and shop icon that align with your brand identity. This visual branding will help attract customers and make your shop stand out. Lastly, review and confirm the information you've entered. Take a moment to ensure all details accurately reflect your business. Once satisfied, click the Open Shop button and congratulations! Your Etsy store is now officially open. Connect your Etsy store to a print-on-demand platform called Printify. Visit Printify.com and sign up for a free account. All you have to do is visit the Printify website at www.printify.com. On the homepage, click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. You can sign up using your email address or your existing Google or Facebook account. Choose the method that is most convenient for you. If you sign up with your email address, enter your email in the provided field and click the Get Started or Sign Up button. Create a password for your Printify account. Make sure to choose a strong and secure password. After entering your password, click on the Sign Up button. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Printify and follow the instructions to complete the verification process. Once your email is verified, you will be directed to your Printify dashboard to explore the platform and begin selling your products. Now that your print-on-demand platform account is made, you can connect your Etsy store by clicking Add New Store and signing in with your account. If Etsy isn't available in your area, don't worry. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which can also be connected with Printify. To connect your Etsy account to Printify, sign into your Printify account. Ensure that you have added your desired products and designs to Printify. In your Printify account, navigate to the Stores or Integration section, depending on the platform layout. Look for the Etsy integration option and select it. Follow the instructions provided to connect your Etsy shop to Printify. This typically involves authorizing Printify to access your Etsy account. Once you've successfully integrated Printify with your Etsy shop, you can effortlessly sync your products from Printify to your Etsy store. Whether you want to list specific products or entire collections, the choice is yours. When potential customers click on your item within Etsy, they will seamlessly be directed to the corresponding product page on Printify. On this page, they can customize the item according to their preferences before placing an order. Printify takes care of all production, fulfillment, and shipping aspects. They handle the printing process, ensuring your design is accurately transferred into the chosen product, and subsequently ship it directly to the customer. While Printify handles the essential tasks of production and fulfillment, you retain complete control over pricing and product descriptions on Etsy. It's crucial to provide accurate and captivating information within your Etsy listing, including details about customization options, materials used, and shipping specifics. Doing so enhances the overall customer experience and facilitates informed purchasing decisions. With the store set up, it's time to create your product designs. You can use a powerful AI image generator called Midjourney. To use Midjourney, you have to first create a free Discord account. Discord is a community communication platform offering text, voice, and video chat features. To create a Discord account, follow these steps. Visit the Discord website at www.discord.com. On the homepage, click the login button on the top right corner. Click the register button below the login form on the login page. Fill in the necessary information on the registration form. This includes your email address, username, and password. If prompted, complete any additional steps, such as solving a CAPTCHA or verifying your email address. Once you've filled in the required information, click the Continue or Create Account button. You may be asked to verify your humanity by solving a CAPTCHA or completing a simple task. After completing the registration process, you will be directed to the Discord homepage, and your account will be created. Then, head to midjourney.com and join the beta. You'll need a paid subscription for commercial use of the generated images, but the cheapest plan should suffice for starters. Using Midjourney is straightforward. Just type /imagine and describe the image you want to create. You can also specify the image style, such as watercolor, cartoon, or hand-drawn. Since you're creating Tumblr designs, adjust the aspect ratio by typing --AR followed by your preferred aspect ratio. After generating your designs, it's time to list your products. Go to Printify and choose the Tumblr product you want to sell. Select the print provider, upload your Midjourney design, and ensure it fits the print area. You can also add text for personalization if desired. Use the preview option to see how the final product will look. Move on to listing your product by editing the product information. Start with a catchy title and an engaging description. Look for similar listings to get inspiration, but avoid copying word for word. To attract sales initially, you may want to lower the cost, then increase it gradually. Click on Publish and your product will be listed on Etsy. You can continue editing the listing from your Etsy dashboard, adding more images or essential tags. When you receive an order, it will be automatically sent to Printify. They will fulfill the order, print it, and ship it directly to your customer. Now let's say you receive an order, you can go to Printify, place the order, and Printify will handle the printing, shipping, and inventory management. This way you've made a profit without the hassle of managing the logistics yourself. Now that covers the first method. Feel free to ask questions in the comments and we'll gladly assist you. And if you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Now, let's go on to the second method, selling digital Tumblr designs. The process of selling digital Tumblr designs is quite similar to selling physical products, with a few key differences. Here's how. Start by creating your Tumblr designs using Midjourney, just as before. Generate the desired designs by describing them using the AI image generator. Or if you prefer to take the design into your own hands, you can utilize a powerful online graphic design tool like Canva. Canva is a trendy platform that empowers users to create a wide range of visually stunning content, even without extensive design experience. With its intuitive interface and extensive library of templates, fonts, images, and design elements, Canva makes the design process accessible to everyone. Whether you're looking to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, logos, or any other visual assets, Canva simplifies the process and allows you to produce professional-looking designs quickly and efficiently. Once your designs are ready, upload them to a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. This will allow you to easily share and provide access to your digital products. The next step is to create a simple PDF page using a platform like Canva. This PDF page will serve as a guide for your customers, containing information about the bundle of designs and instructions on accessing them. You have to sign up or log into Canva at www.canva.com. Click Create a Design and search for the PDF template. Customize the PDF page with text, images, and instructions. Within the PDF page, include a button or link that directs customers to the designated folder in your Google Drive or Dropbox where the designs are stored. This will ensure easy access to the purchased digital goods. Click Download and save the PDF file to your computer. Now head to Etsy and create a new listing for your digital Tumblr design bundle. Enter the necessary product information, including the title, description, and price. Setting the product type as digital to differentiate it from physical products is crucial. Scroll down to the section where it says Digital Files and attach the PDF file you created. This will ensure that anyone who purchases the product receives the PDF guide. Double-check all the information you've entered, and when you're satisfied, click Publish to make your digital Tumblr design bundle listing available to customers. Whether you sell physical tumblers or digital bundles, these platforms and tools provide a streamlined process for creating, listing, and fulfilling orders, allowing you to focus on generating unique and appealing designs. With Printify handling production, fulfillment, and shipping, you can enjoy a hassle-free experience while earning profits. So, why wait? Start your Tumblr selling venture today and turn your creativity into a profitable business. Cheers to your success! And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities. If you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.